All right, guys. Well, my husband informed me that we have, an event to go to, right? So pretty much we are all together, guys. Um, I got a minute before the event, starts, but I'm not, worried about it. I'm just trying to figure out how I want to wear my hair. Now, the event is going to be held outside, and I showed you all the snowsuit that I wanted to wear, but it was never delivered to me, guys. Man, that would have been the perfect outfit, cover up, everything. As far as my hair, I can do anything with my hair, guys. I know for a fact that I will have on a hat or, at worst case scenario, throw on a wig. Now, guys, I don't want to throw on a wig. I really don't. I have other ideas of how, I can do my hair. And I have showed y'all that in the other video. I'm here when you need my voice. 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 Okay, now there is something that I have been wanting to try, guys, and it is this. Yeah, this is cream foundation HD, just cream foundation. All right, guys, for my event, I want to put some color in my hair. If I use a spray-on color, usually that looks dry. So I wonder if this cream foundation is going to continue to look wet. So let's see what ended up happening. This was HD, cream foundation, okay? And I want to see something, because if this works, then I'll just have the front of my hair out in a hairstyle that I showed you guys before. When it's cold outside, what y'all can do, then I would just do the front of my hair like this. So I got a little bit on my hand, because I'm going to end up washing my hair anyway, because I am going to be doing a second part for my spa day. So if I'm going to wash my hair, I may as well finish experimenting. So guys, like you see, I hope y'all can see this. Let me tilt y'all up. Okay, guys, so gel is already on my hair, guys. I got a little of this, and I am just going to take some of this, and I'm just going to put it on here. Okay. Now that is what that's looking like, right? After doing that video, guys, I had been wanting to come and play in my hair like this with this for a minute. And the reason why, look at that. Isn't that pretty, guys? Isn't that pretty? That is pretty. And, but like I said, I've been busy. All right, guys, sorry for the filming. My camera will be in focus, out of focus, blurry, but I still want to bring this content to you guys. So if this is something you're thinking about trying, at least you'll have an idea. Okay? You can go and get a spray, but spray has alcohol in it, and things like that. Now, the reason why I'm looking at this is because when I want a little color in my hair, guys, I can put this in here, wear my color for as long as I want to wear it, because it lasted a few days after I did this. Okay, let me get closer. It lasted a few days after I did this, and I was very impressed. Now, guys, I can dye half of my head if I want to, okay? You could have this color dramatic. I probably need some more gel. Let me dip this in some gel. I got some gel here. And from what I'm saying, you don't want to go too crazy with it because you want it to look realistic. Okay, look at that. You want it to look realistic, and you want it to, you know, last. So, from what I'm saying, guys, see, I love experimenting like this, and I be bringing y'all my little tips and tricks. Let's see here. I'm putting it on there. I'm rubbing it. I found a video, guys, of my hair being red. And like I told you before, when I'm dyeing my hair, I either want it to be burgundy or Mary J. Blige red. So what y'all think? What y'all think about that? I like it. I like it. This one has a lot on it. So I wonder if I scoop some of that out. See how I just got through taking this curl, guys? Look at that. Y'all see how I just got through taking this curl, just doing that, and it did what it was supposed to do. Now you know I'm crazy, guys. Y'all know I'm crazy. Y'all know I'm crazy. Y'all know I try stuff. I wonder if I mix this in some gel and do this on my hair. Look at that. Will that act right? Because I'm telling you, when I did that video for you guys, look at that. That's pretty. This is this side, this is that side. So let me see something. When I did that video for you guys, like I said, I was just going out, doing some runs. Now over here, maybe I should wipe this off my hands. Let me wipe this off. When I was out, when I was out doing runs, and I came back to edit the video for you guys, I seen that color was still on my hair. Now I'm gonna tell you, I would actually do this all over my hair. So guys, this vlog, I'm just showing y'all some of the things that I do to play. Y'all see how my hair is curling up. I told you guys that all of my texturizer is off. See that? That compared to that. I can go either way with it, guys. I really could. I really could. I thought I would try this because if I am going to wash my hair anyway, it's time for me to, you know, wash it. Then I said I may as well play. Now I'm thinking, okay, so that's how it looks like that, guys, right? And this is how this side looks like that. Now, let's try something. All right, guys, I am about to comb this through, and as you see, the color is not leaving. And for a matter of fact, it's looking soft, and that's what I want. I don't want my hair to look dry. So with this cream foundation, guys, not only did it stay, but if you see the curls behind the curls that I'm combing now, it looks like my hair is colored. Now, I know there's a lot of different products out there, like Got to Be Glue with the comb through color in it and everything. But guys, I have a lot of foundation because y'all know we don't wear makeup like that. And some just said, just try this. Like I said, I want a punch of color. I have an event coming. And as you see, just by me going through with the product that was already on my hair, look at how that color is staying on my curls. I'm liking it. So guys, y'all will have to tell me if y'all would like to see all of my hair done this way. Um, would y'all like to see me try to style it a different way with these curls? Because if I'm going to wear my hair like this, guys, I would just do my curls how you see them now and not touch them. Even though my hair will still be soft because this is a cream foundation. Now towards here, guys, y'all will see just if after you separate your curls how it will look. Okay? And you can, like, I guess two-tone your hair like that. I don't know. I think it's worth trying. I think it's worth playing with because it doesn't look dry. It does not look dry, you know. So I don't know. I don't know what to tell y'all. I do. Yes, I do. So y'all look. This is just how I be playing in my head and everything. I am about to go downstairs and do a spa day. You know what? I may not even wash this out of my hair just to see, what it's going to do in the morning. All right, guys. Well, I had continued to play in my hair and I left it on, overnight. And the color still stayed in. My curls were still soft. But towards the end of this video, guys, I am going to show you a different style that I ended up doing. And I want you to comment in the comment section down below which one you think I should try for the event, or should I just leave it alone altogether? I like it. I like it, guys. I'm telling you right now, I like it. So, let's comb this out. Like I said, since I have to wash my hair soon anyway, it doesn't hurt to play. It doesn't hurt to play in my hair. I have come up with so many different ideas, guys, just playing in my hair. I'm telling you right now. Like I was saying, guys, I have an event coming up. My husband just told me about something that we have to attend. So I'm just trying to give myself options on how I would wear my hair, because the event is outside, and I'm just trying to see where I'm gonna go with my hair. I'm trying to see how would I just playing around, because only my face, I'm pretty sure, guys, like I said, your girl do not like being cold. So only my face is going to be showing. So we're going to beat our face with the 4 products. Okay? We're going to beat our face with the 4 products that we use. And that is, we do our brows, we put on our lashes, we do our lip gloss. So that's 1, 2, 3. Is it 3 now? Yeah, I think it's 3. Brows, lashes, and lip gloss. It's 3. Thought it was 4. And we get that glow. We have our moisturizers for our hair. And depending on, trying to do this. All right, guys. Well, I just continued to play. I pulled out a scarf that I got from the beauty supply house when I want to wrap up my hair really nice. I decided that one of the other options I could do was lift up my hair once it dry, wrap a scarf around my head, put on some pretty earrings, have my makeup done, and maybe that's another option for how I could wear my hair. But we will see. But thanks, guys, for coming by, spending this time with me. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. And guess what? I'll see you in the next video.